Welcome to video number 2 of the series in address parsing. In this video, I will discuss the installation of the address parsing tool. After downloading the package from the link in the video description below, unzip the directory to the location of your choice. Let's look inside the contents of this package. Here I have an already unzipped address parse dist directory. Within this directory, you'll find 3 folders and an ArcGIS toolbox. The code directory contains the code for the tool. The libraries directory contains the underlying libraries that the tool relies upon. For the purposes of this tutorial and for the purposes of the download package, we've included some sample data to test on. The ArcGIS toolbox is located here. It's important to note that you will need to be able to access the C drive of your computer at the root level. If you do not have access to the C drive, please contact your network administrator to complete the installation. Prior to selecting any of the directories in this folder, it may be beneficial to open another instance of Windows Explorer and navigate to your Python directory. You may already know exactly where your Python install of ArcGIS 10.3 is. In my case, my Python install of ArcGIS 10.3 is located on the C drive under Python 27, ArcGIS 10.3. If you do not know where your install of ArcGIS Python 2.7 is, go ahead and open up our catalog. We'll do a procedure in order to identify exactly what directory your Python install exists in. Type import RE and hit return. Then type RE dot underscore underscore FILE underscore underscore and hit return. The result of this should locate exactly where your Python install is. Look for the directory preceding the lib folder, as I've highlighted here. Now that you've located the ArcGIS 10.3 Python 2.7 install, navigate to this directory. I've already done that here. Note that if you do not have administrative privileges to the root level of your C drive, you may not be able to perform the install without gaining administrative access to your computer. From the ArcGIS 10.3, or whatever version of ArcGIS you are running, navigate to the lib folder and enter it. Now, identify where the site packages subdirectory exists in the lib folder. I've highlighted it here. Now, from your unzipped address parse dist folder, navigate to the contents of the libraries folder. Within this folder, you'll see several different directories. These are the underlying files that the tool relies upon. We need to copy the contents of this directory into the site packages directory. Highlight all these folders and simply copy and paste them into the site packages folder, or you can just drag them. My libraries are already installed, so I'm not actually going to do this. Now that these necessary directories are in the correct place, we can go ahead and test to make sure that the install worked correctly. We'll go back to our catalog and open our Python window again. Let's simply try to import the underlying libraries that the tool uses. Type import US address and hit return. Note that you may need to hit return twice in the Python window. If you do not receive an error, your library has been installed correctly. If you do see errors, please visit the Troubleshooting for Address Parsing Tool portion of the tool guide. Now we can navigate to the tool in our catalog and make sure that the script tool actually exists here. If you do not see a script tool, or if you do not see a toolbox, refresh the toolbox to identify the tool, or refresh the address parse dist. Note that this tool is supported by ArcGIS versions 10.1 through 10.3. Now the installation is complete. Please stay tuned to learn how to run the tool.